everyone. So you can see the winner of Ganesh Idol making competition. First was Sweta, second Kriya and Keem. Third prize goes to Bihan, and there was no fourth prize, but I have give consolation prize to some of the students like Hasti, Kavish and Shubham. And all my students have done a wonderful job. You can see their work, by their whole heart, by their whole hard work. Such a beautiful idols they have created. It seems like these all are real idols. The pictures looks like we have went to the shop to purchase the idols. Am I right? Okay, so this is what competitions from my kids.